everyone, today I am going to be showing you how to use Download Play on your 3DS and DS. And I'm going to be using a Sonic game to demonstrate. And sorry if it's a bit noisy around here. I'll be using Sonic Rush to demonstrate how to do it. So I'll show you both ways, but it has to be a DS game if you're doing it this way. So I'm just going to open up the console. I've got Sonic Rush loaded in right there. And I'm using a Sonic t-shirt today. So I've just opened up my DS Lite. So first I'm going to have to open up the game on the 3DS, if that's the one you're going to use first. I'll open up the game. Then you go on Battle Play if it's Sonic Rush. Download. Then you want to download the communication. And then you go into DS Download Play. Wait, no. I accidentally did that wrong. Actually, wait, no. That was right. Sometimes I forget what I'm doing. And you see, it will load. And it will turn up on that screen. That's loaded. They'll say, would you like to download this software, if you're doing it that way. And then, you see, that would say the download sign. And then, when you go on the 3DS, it will turn up and you click the press start. So now, I'm going to show you how to do it the other way. So, you just do the same thing but the other way around. So now, I'm going to show you how to do it the other way. So you take the game out. You would open up the other console. Don't know why that didn't work. Sorry if this video is a bit long. Now I'm ready, and then you would go into Download Play on the other console, ready to do the same thing. You see, I'm on the game, and I'll do the same thing. DS Download Battle. Yes, I want to use wireless. Then you click the DS, and then it would say, use of DS Download Play is restricted by parental controls, and then you click to temporarily remove that function. And then you would put your PIN number. then you see it would turn up with this. Then you click what the game is. Wait, I accidentally clicked it wrong. But it actually does work. So I'm just going to have to reload that, since I accidentally clicked the wrong button. So I'm just going to have to skip through this bit again, as fast as possible. And sometimes you'll need a stylus for a couple of games. So you see it's downloading again. Then you click it. And this time I'm actually going to click the A button. And then you'll see at the bottom it says which stands for 2-player has joined. And I'll just cancel that. And there you go. That's how you do download play on both ways for the DS and 3DS. Bye!